Hi guys, welcome to my little shed. It's a beautiful day outside, so I've decided to make another video and just show you what I've assembled here. BiGDUG have sent me a workbench, what they call a value garage workbench. It comes in two sizes, 1700 and 1200. This is the 1700. They both come with a solid worktop. And when I say solid, I mean it's solid. It is absolutely lovely to work on. It's varnished off as well. I've already got a few nicks in it, but that's the whole charm of it. And you know, as you go along, basically when you're working from home. I'm just going to show you the basics of what I built. I built this myself. It was easy. I can't stress that enough. I did it myself. It took me about 2.5, maybe 3 hours. It also comes with, you've got these lengthy drawers, which I think is absolutely fantastic when you're doing projects here on the workbench. You can open this drawer. At the moment I've just got bits and pieces in it just to store away and whatever, but in the near future, whatever projects that I'm going to be working on, I will keep stuff in there. It's very easy to open and close. There's no clunkiness, there's no nothing like that. Down here you've got the cupboards, which open with their own keys. I've stored some bits and pieces in here where I've kept my paint pots, and I've kept my my box from my hammer drill and stuff like that, to, you know, just to store away and keep out of the way. To lock it for extra security, and it is pretty solid, very easy to put together. On this side we've got the drawers. We've got 4 drawers, and again very easy to assemble. Once again, it's in my video. Easy to open, easy to shut. There's no clanking noise or anything like that, even though they're steel, you know, they're iron, metal, whatever you want to call it. But again, easy to close. A bit like kitchen drawers, actually. Right, up here we have 3 more cupboards. Again, these were easy to put up. They open, and again, they come with keys as well. Again, it's great for just storage and putting things up there out of your way. It's good when you're working on projects. You've got things here, like so, whatever, you know. And it's got a centerpiece here where I keep all my chargers for my batteries and stuff like that. The middle bit, which is wonderful, which I really love, is the 2 back tool panels. Very easy to put together. There are 8 screws. Secure it to the wall. It comes with roll plugs, it comes with its own screws and everything else, so you don't have to go searching around and buying screws and everything else. They've thought of everything with this. I love it. It is just one of the best things I've ever built and best things I've ever had. I can't really sell this any more than what it is. It works, it's perfect. This is the 1700mm one, and you can also get a 1200. This would be absolutely ideal for you. It is ideal for me, for what I want it for. Can't be any more simple. BiGDUG, you've done it again. They never cease to amaze me. That's it. See you soon.